bush him ball and sing him pocket full, him never bring a thing. Grab up ganja talking loud, spirit or say draw dark cloud. Mojo monkey want you walk your pace, but so the laugh dash leaves in face. Every night him take from root, disrespecting jobless fruit. Soda, soda, hunger and greed, thieves of the jungle for anything you need. Take the weed but never give, in a jail land him can't live. Morphmaster said this can't last, dark force flash but mercy pass. Morphmaster rise from shadow tree, blue pan blue eyes like prophecy. Soda beg me just one try, but truth is loudness makes spirits cry. No fire come, no boom or zing, morph just wave and silence cling. Flesh reshape, the muzzle grow, pig dog curse take full control. Soda, soda, beast of jungle, snow tan tail in shape shift bungle, grunting low but seeing far. In silence now we thief no more, in a quiet the roots reveal, the greedy life is not ideal. Moons them pass, him heart get cold, blue dream fade, dark truth unfold. Big dog whispers from spirit swine, come back soda cross the line. He grunt and bolt from jungle gate, left the RC to twist with fate. Corrupt now grinning in spirit mist, soda join them dopey fist. Once was watcher, once was friend, now him grunt bring jungle in. Swine of shadow, hoof and fang, marching strong where spirits sang, but warlock style prepare for blow. DRC still guard below, when trumpet sound and root shall clash. Soda face the judgment flash.